So what you can do right now is you're gonna choose a nursery rhyme, and you're going to get the rhythm and do a remix. You know, remix the nursery rhyme on that rhythm live right now. Okay, turn you.
Zip the crowds, good morning. Listen, me say, the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
Hey!
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Then the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Listen me, follow me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
What?
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Me say Q, R, S, U, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, R, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next I want to see.
Twinkle, 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 twinkle.
And me say twinkle, twinkle. Me say little, little star. How I wonder what you are. Me say up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder, how am I seeing ya? How am I seeing ya? Baby shark,
Hey, boss, you're fine it.
Yeah, man.
You're fine it, boss.
Yeah, man.
You're fine it, boss.
yeah, man, I blind formula, you know.
Yeah, man. Twitter cards, that's a zip exclusive. Baby.
Action! Straight to your cave, you don't know.